take you with me to a village on a beautiful autumn day. When we got there, I saw trees with fruits, so I picked some all by myself, and guess what? I tasted them too. They were so yummy. Then, we walked around a big garden surrounded by tall mountains. I practiced walking a little and saw birds. Oh, they were so cute. After that, it was breakfast time. I loved the simple food and hearing the grown-ups talk. Their voices made me feel warm and happy inside. After breakfast, I felt sleepy, so I closed my eyes and had a little nap. When I woke up, Mama and Baba took me to see some cows. They were big and funny. And I made new friends and played with other children too. So much fun. We also went to a big mosque, and it felt calm and nice there. After that, it was time for lunch with everyone. The food was so tasty, and I loved how everyone sat together like one big family. Later, I curiously watched people separate pomegranate seeds for something special they were cooking. The little red seeds looked so funny in their hands. After all the fun and running around, I got super tired. So I drank my milk and zzz. I fell asleep so fast, feeling happy and safe. Thank you for coming with me today. If you liked spending time with me, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to show you more adventures.